Hey everyone, David C. Anderson here, coming at you from the Knife Center. And today we're going to be taking a look at the CRKT Seismic. It's new for 2019 and features their brand new Deadbolt lock. Let's check it out. So the first thing you'll notice with the Seismic is this oversized pivot, and that's actually the lock. If you turn it over, you see this crossbar shaped piece on the opposite side, and that actually on either end of these has two steel bolts which interface with the knife when it's open. You can open this knife one of two ways, either with the thumb studs here, or you can use the flipper tab, as this rides on IKBS bearings, so it fires open nice and smoothly. You can see now that this crossbar on the back is sunk into the scales, and that's because those two steel pieces are now running through the tang of the knife. On the opposite side here, the button is pressed up. When you're ready to disengage, you simply push this button down and close the knife. So overall, this is a very intuitive and easy to use lock, and not only is it very strong, but it's very safe to use as well. Because of the way it operates, your fingers don't have to cross the path of the blade when you're closing the knife, meaning it's inherently safer than some other locking mechanisms. Also, especially once it's broken in nicely, it is possible to push the button and flick the blade closed. Another neat feature that you'll see, this torque screw right here actually allows you to adjust the detent of this knife, letting you customize the stiffness and flipping action. All that new tech is great, but it still has to perform as a knife, and thankfully we've got good construction and good design here. We've got G10 scales on the front and back. Large backspacer provides a couple of lanyard holes here and looks really cool to boot. We've also got a deep carry pocket clip. Not truly deep carry, but it will allow only just a small portion of that knife to show above the hem of your pocket, which is impressive because this truly is a large knife. You get nearly 4 inches of blade length here. And I really like this nice sweeping profile with a flat grind and a swedge that's going to make it great for long slicing motions. The steel is German 1.4116 stainless steel, and it's available in this satin plain edge version, as well as a black PVD coated version that comes with VEF serrations. These serrations are angled at about 50 degrees, different from your standard 90-degree serrations, and it allows it to perform really well on things like rope or other fibrous materials. This PVD version also comes with black hardware instead of the stainless hardware on the other version. Another neat feature about this knife is you can grab it in a full grip right here for long, powerful slices, or you've got a large finger choil up here in front of the flipper tab that allows you to get in front and really get in there for some fine, close detail work. So this is just one of the great new CRKT knives for 2019. If you want to get your hands on the Seismic or see what else we've got for sale, click the link in the description below to head on over to KnifeCenter.com.